Put a seatbelt on.
See what I mean? Like, I just walked around. Alright, let's run this puppy.
There's what?
Let's get this puppy kicking. Everybody stay in position, the camera's out. That's the funny thing. Let's do it.
This place is wild, man. Italy! I can't say America this time.
Italy, there you go.
Oh, he's gonna bring his little son with him? Oh! There's two of them!
No, that's awesome. That's awesome. Woo!
That moment when you wish your dad could afford a Ferrari?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there's a bunch of people in a Porsche in the way, so I don't know what to do.
I think he's going that way. That's why you always stay this
No, he's
way
turning
of
his
the
wheel
car.
that way.
No, he's going that way.
Oh, hey, little guy.
Hey, let the guy through.
That Porsche has nothing.
Oh. There we go. I got hit with something. I'm like, I'm just gonna stand here. I got hit right in the face. Wow. That's called noise.
I just honestly had to shut my eyes from that.
I literally just stood right there. I'm like, I'm gonna take this.